This is a digger kiddie by Zamperla. Let's go then.
Are you ready to play?
This unit's got the Cogan and licensed Noddy car kiddie one, which is Autopicchio audio. It's supposed to have the white audio. This one. This joystick just does nothing. Steering wheel's diff as well. Don't know why. This one's playing in low pitch. So stiff. And he stopped. And that was the Zamperla Kiddie Ride 1 audio with Autopicchio audio by Zamperla ZAP Digger. Sighted at the shaded place in Albufeira, near Albufeira Marina, and Hotshot Bowling Arcade in Albufeira, Portugal. Thank you for watching, guys.